Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making videos on Java programming language and frameworks. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos. And please support us. Thank you.
Okay, for example, I have an expression called a is equal to a plus b. So how can you change by using this assignment operator a plus equal to b? This is very simple. So by this way you can reduce your size of code. Okay, for example, a is equal to a plus 10. So what is the compound assignment operator for this expression? A plus equal to 20, sorry 10. Okay, so this and you can apply for a minus equal to, and you can apply a star equal to, you can apply a division and a modulus. Okay, anything you can take, you can apply all the all the arithmetic operators. Okay, and next relational operators, we'll have this program later. Relational operators, relational operators means it is going to comparing two values, either it is bigger than first one or less than value, greater than value, less than or equal to. All these are the relational operators. Less than, less than equal to, next greater than or equal to, yes, next equal to, not equal to. So these are the relational operators. It returns a true or false. That's it. It is okay. It returns either true or false. We'll see this. For example, simple program. Operators. I have a project called operators. So here A value 10, B value 20, C value, and see this compound assignment operator. I want A is equal to A plus 2. So that means A plus is equal to 2. System.out.println of A. So it will print 12 here. And next compare relational operator. System.out.println of A less than B. So right now 12 is the A value. So 12 less than 20. Is it true or false? True. So it returns true only. It returns true. And next A greater than B. It returns false. Okay. Coming to some ternary operators also, and later we'll go for output. Okay. Ternary operator. So this ternary operator is nothing but this operator is going to place in between three operands. Right now we practice all the operators in between two operands. That means in between two variable values. But when coming to ternary operators, this ternary operator is going to be placed in between three operators. Okay, what are those three operators? Let's see example here. Three operators. This is called the syntax for ternary operator. C is equal to A less than B. This is the first one, first expression, and next question mark, and followed by first value, colon, followed by second value. Okay, and this is called third operand. So this is called, and if A less than B, it returns true, then only it returns A value or else B value. Logical operators, where it is written. Logical or Boolean operators we can call. So it's uh, logical operator is containing four, that is logical and logical or, and next logical not, and next is a exclusive or cap. So this kind of variable, this kind of this kind of operators are placed in between two expressions, two conditions you can say. Okay, not in between two operands, it is in between two conditions. And next the first condition returns true, and second condition returns true, then only it returns true. That means either if any among these two values any expression returns false, it completely returns false, otherwise it returns true. Remember these true tables? Yeah. Next coming to OR operator, if any of the among these two conditions, any one returns true, then entire it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay. Next, coming to not, true is nothing but true. If it is a true, it returns false. If it false, it returns true. This is a different exclusive OR. If the two expression returns the same value, it returns false. If the two expressions returns the different value, it returns true. Okay, got it? So actually, these kind of programs are not going to be there, because if conditions are there, you can use. At that time we'll discuss. Okay. And next, bitwise operator. Coming to bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is nothing but the operations are going to be done by bit. So convert this 60 into binary digit. You know that, right? Binary digits 0 1 1 1 1 0. Yes. So 13 also converted into like this. And next, coming to this is a bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise exclusive OR operator, bitwise negation operator here. Okay. So and coming to AND operator, what is the conditions for this? I think it is a little bit difficult to type. I'll tell you. And means if two values are one, it returns one. Otherwise, it returns zero. Okay, 0 1 0 0 0 0. So if, these are two. In these two cases, two ones are there here, two ones are there. It comes here 1 1. Otherwise, remaining are 0. Coming to this OR operator, any one value is containing 0 value, it returns 1. If any among these two values, any one can return 1, it returns 1. Otherwise, it returns 0. And coming to this exclusive OR, two values are having the same value, it returns 0. Otherwise, it returns 1. So these two are different values, 0 and 1. So it returns 1. This is the same value 0, same value 0, and again two ones, again two zeros. Coming to negation, 1 is there, it returns 0. 0 is there, it returns 1.
Do subscribe, like and share for more videos. And please support us. Thank you.